Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Literary Analysis. Today we are going to discuss some facts or the frequently asked questions of GK that come in various competitive exams. So here comes the first question. The question says the first Prime Minister of Bangladesh. What? The first Prime Minister of Bangladesh. We have always pay attention on the word first or the last and then answer the question. So correct answer will be B. Mujibur Rahman. Just because Imran Khan is the current Prime Minister of Pakistan, Manmohan Singh was the previous Prime Minister of India, and Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first President of India. So the correct answer will be Mujibur Rahman. Note it down. And then comes the second question. The longest highway in the world. The question says, which is the longest highway in the world? There are many highways in the world, out of which 4 are given here, and we have to choose one highway which is the longest in the world. So the Pan American Highway, option D, is the correct one. You may just note it down, it will be better for you. And then comes the question number 3. Coffee growing country. The largest coffee growing country. Again, we have to focus on this word, the largest. It means which country grows the coffee in a very large amount, the largest amount. So the correct answer of this question will be B. Brazil. Then comes the fourth question. The country also known as country of copper means the country where copper is extracted in a very large amount. So the correct answer will be option A Zambia. Then the next one, question number 5. The river Volga flows out into there is one river Volga, and the question is asking that the river Volga flows out into which sea or which heavy water body. So the answer will be Caspian Sea. B. Caspian Sea. Then the question number 6. The biggest delta in the world. What the biggest delta in the world? So for this, if you are not knowing the delta, what is delta? The delta is the wetland where a river or a lake or any water body empty their water and sediments into another water body or any another bigger water body, heavenly water body. For example, any ocean or any other river, sea or lake, pond, whatever. So the correct answer will be Sundarbans Delta. It is the biggest delta in the world. Question number 7. The Japanese call their country as. The question says that the Japanese call their country as. This means that the Japanese don't call their country namely as Japan, but they call it by any another name. So what's the name? We have to know it here. Hindustan is the another name of India. Yamato was the oldest name of Japan, and Japan is the current name by which we all know it. And the B one, which is Nippon, is the correct answer. B is the correct answer, Nippon. The Japanese call their country as Nippon. Then question number 8. The world's oldest known city. The world's oldest known city means the oldest city which we know in the world. The answer will be A. Damascus. It is the oldest known city in the world. Then question number 9. The river carrying the maximum water into the sea. Which river in the world carries the maximum water in the sea? So here the question will says that the river which carries name the river which carries the maximum water into the sea. The correct answer will be the river Mississippi. Yes, the river Mississippi. which goes through the Amazon rainforest. Then 10th and the last question is the biggest island in the world. Which is the biggest island in the world? So the answer will be Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep are, you must be knowing Andaman and Nicobar and the Lakshadweep also, they are just beside India. They come as the part of India, and Atlantis also is nearby it. But the Greenland is the correct answer. It is only the biggest island of the world. So thank you. I hope you all understood it very well, and it is very important for you all to know this. Just please subscribe, like, comment and share my channel. Thank you.